Hi, good afternoon. Welcome back to the Python series. So let's continue with the Python series. Okay. So like today's our topic is how to import modules. In Python, we have a number of modules. So how to import each and every module. So today we'll just discuss only the math module to import it. So in the math module, we have different type of functions. Like for example, I just want square root of 9. What I will do here, while I'm storing into the x variable, then I will print x. So here we can see showing some error. Here we show invalid syntax something, right? Undefined names. What I will do here, I'll try to execute. I'm getting some error here. Name sqrt is not defined. That means we have not defined. So for that, what we will do here, first we will import our math. So math, in the math function sqrt is there. So here first of all, okay, one more thing I would like to show you. First, how to import, then you write the, this is module name. So the import is a keyword and math is a module name. Okay. So here first we need to select and we need to press shift enter the keyboard. We got like this imported. That means successfully imported. Now if I just one sec, if I want to see whatever the things our math module contains. So if I write dir of math, then if I check here, see here, console when you see how many methods we have here. See, we have a number of methods. So we will take some basic example. See, one more thing I will show you. See, have one method like here. We have seal method. And I'll show you. Then we have floor method. Then we have floor method. Factorial also will do it. Then we have sine theta, cos theta. Then we have explanation. Then we have pi, power. We have so many methods. So for that, what we will do here? Square root also we have. Here only we have c square root. So I need to import this square root. So what I will do here, import math I've done. So now math dot, I'll write here. Write also can write like print. I write math. I'll write sqrt. See here you can see so many methods. Sqrt I will select. Then I'll pass the value. I'll pass 9. I will select this one. Go to 3. Square root of 9 is 3. Okay. One more value will take print math sqrt of I will take 16. We will take it. Square root of 16 is 4.0. We have got it. Okay. Now one more thing, like we have some other methods, like we have some floor methods. What is floor method? What is scale method? So for example, if we have like 2.5, if you will consider in some marks calculation, if you return some exams, you got a marks is 22.5. What you can do? 2.5 means they will give you like 3. Otherwise, if you have below the 2.5, like 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, then what they will do? They'll round figure, like round off, they will do 2 like this. So now what we will do here, we have like methods like print. Then if I have like math dot, I'll take like floor. So you can see floor method. This is floor method. You can see floor dot. Okay. Then if I'll type here 2.9, if it is 2.9, so we'll think it should come 3, but it will not take 3. Floor in the sense it's like down. It will take this. It will print the 2 only. See in output we can see we got the values 2. Thing if I'll, okay, then I will take for seal math dot seal. We have seal method. Then if I'll take 2.5, I'll take 2.5, it will show the 3. If I'll take 2.9 also, it will show the 3 only. And one more thing I'll show you. If I take 2.el, if I take 2.1, so 2.1 also, that time also it will show the 3 only. It will consider that number. Okay, APO number. Okay, and the letter we have power method. How to get a power method? So power method we will do like math dot do say a power method, then we'll get like 2 comma 3, like if I'll write 2 comma 3. Basically how we get a power, first of all I would like to show you. Basically if I want a power, how we'll write 2, then star star. Okay, if I'll write like this, how I will get 2 comma 3, I got a right. Normally I write, but if you're writing with the function, you will write like this. What you will do, you will write like this, math at dot power, then 2 comma 3. Same thing you will be getting. See, you're getting the same thing, same output you will be getting. Yeah, in this for math module you can do. Then we have okay, then we have power method. Then I'll show you. Okay, we have that pi also. We have pi. If I want to get the value of pi, that means already we know the pi value is mathematically 3.114 and something will be some numbers, but we cannot remember what's the number. So what we can do, I'll write math dot, then you write pi. You just write the pi. You write like this pi, you will get the entire number. Okay. One more thing, if I want the value of epsilon, so I'm math dot e. So here we'll get the epsilon value. So you can see like this we can write it. One more thing I would like to say here, if I want to get the value of sine, cos and all, math dot sine, sine of 90, sine of 90 we know how much we should get is 90 something. If I want to get, okay, maybe most of the people they know the value of 1045. So 10 theta and value of 45, it's almost like 1. So what we'll do, it's like 1.6. Yeah, it's 1.6. The table we can see. Okay, then we have, then what, one more thing I would like to say you. For example, sometimes here we know like it's a math function, but in Python we have different kinds of modules, or this we need to import the modules. Okay, so here just easily we can see it's a math, but if we have a big names, for example, if we have like this, it's a big name, then what we will do? We cannot remember the name, but once we can know, we can write a shortcut for that. How we'll write the shortcut for that? Okay, so shortcut, what I'll do, first I'll write import, then I'll write math, import math as, I'll write em. Okay, so import, already we know it's a keyword, it's a module name. As also is a keyword, and em is nothing but it's an alias name. We're just writing as, we are just doing it aliasing. Okay, aliasing method, aliasing, we are making the shortcut name. So what I will do, first I will check whether the math is working on the math dot sqrt, sqrt of 5. Okay, okay, sqrt of 25 will take it. So here we'll check first whether the math is working or not. I will import this one, select it, then I will select this one. Yeah, it's 5 we are waiting. Now if I want to get print, then math dot, sorry, one second, here now I'll write math m dot sqrt. See here only you can understand m dot. As soon as I will write like dot, the list is coming, means you can see it's correctly written. Here only you can identify 25. Then I will select and enter. See, go 25, same value you putting. That means we can alias the name for any methods. Aliasing is possible for methods. And one more thing, here we have aliasing we can do, even though, okay, one more thing I would like to say, like we have so many methods, so how we should know like what are the methods. And one more thing, yeah, one more thing, we'll do one thing here. For example, we have like, as you know, dir of math, so many methods we have. Okay, so many methods we have, but I want just some particular methods only. For that, what we can do, for that also we'll do one thing. First of all, I'll show you from this, means these are the methods. Okay, so from these methods I will import the particular things. Understand my words, what I'm saying? From math. Okay, from math, from the math I'm taking, what I'm taking, it means what I'm importing only the particular word. like sqrt. I just need sqrt. I just need it. Okay, so one more thing, see here, as I return the sqrt, I have imported this particular function only, method only. Then what I directly I can write sqrt. No need to write math also. You can write 2 comma, sorry, 2 sqrt of 4. Okay, select the name, select 2. I need power also. I can write it from math. Thing math, code, then you write power. What I will do, I write print, then power of 2 comma 3. If I select, I will enter this 8.0. And one more thing I would like to say you, if you want, you can write like here also, because you are from the math, very importing, what you're importing sqrt. If you want your models, you can write like here also, power, then you can write here 10, you can write here 10, 10, or if you need sign, or if you need pi, whatever things you want, you can write it here also, no problem. At a time you can write it. um, okay, and one more thing I would like to say you, we have one more thing like help. In the help you can write like this, help of, you can write here math, you can pass in the string also, so you will get the details, all the details. Like, I'll show you. For example, if we know we have one method, math module we have, but we don't know how many methods are there. Even though you had from your friends, we have some math modules, but you don't know how to use it. So we can do one thing, we can write the help of, then pass that string math. Then we'll see here. For example, now I'll search for the uh, power method. Okay, now I'll show you one power method. Okay, okay, see here we have got the power method. So here in the power method, what we'll do is power. For the power, we just need two things. For example, 2 comma 3, as I written like 2 comma 3 here. See, 2 comma 3 I've written like this, you can see. So I need two value, then return what's written, x star star y, x to the power of y. That means x to the power of y, it will be doing like this. It will, we can understand it like this, we can go for this. Otherwise, help you can write like this also, like help of, if you write like this also, now print, then help of, you can directly pass math also. Then also, just 1 second. First we need to import like this also. No problem. Sometimes it will work, sometimes okay. This also, it's coming actually. It's not none actually. I was thinking it's not none actually. It's coming. It's going okay. It's coming. Yeah, it's not throwing any error now. That means it's coming. Okay. Okay. This much only the today's session. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And I am just requesting all of you, please practice at your end also. Please install this Spider Anaconda in your system, and please practice at your end. Then only you will become perfect, because practice is mandatory for everyone. Okay, bye bye. Thank you. Thank you. Have a good day.